Today, we're making spicy gochujang chicken. This quick and easy chicken meal prep will help you save time and money. Best of all, it makes 6 delicious meals for work or home. Each bite packs a punch of spicy flavor that will have you wanting more. So, let's get cooking. In a bowl with 6 boneless chicken thighs, measure a quarter cup of gochujang paste, grate 1 tablespoon of ginger, crush 3 garlic cloves, add about 1/4 cup of white miso paste or 1 teaspoon of white miso powder, measure out 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it all together. Make sure all the chicken is covered. Allow to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours for best results. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cook each side for 6 to 7 minutes before flipping and cooking for another 6 to 7 minutes. We'll also roast some broccoli at 400 degrees Fahrenheit as our veggies. Drizzle a little olive oil, salt, and in the oven it goes for 12 minutes. We'll flip our chicken at 7 minutes. After another 7 minutes, we'll have a nice caramelization and can repeat for the rest of the chicken. We'll cut it up, plate it, add some garnish, and boom, gochujang chicken. Each bowl will get some rice, broccoli, and chicken. The sauce really just sticks to the chicken and is full of flavor. Whether you're busy or just want something spicy, this recipe is for you. We can then pack it up and reheat it later. Here are the ingredients listed out, and the protein and calorie projections. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed and what foods you want to see next.